So Ross Video is providing a set of graphics solutions for the broadcast industry, and specifically we provide a weather graphics solution. And the way that we're helping to support climate change stories is that graphics solution integrates climate information or allows broadcasters to incorporate climate data sets or climate themes into their stories very easily through the graphical tools. So to give a good example of how broadcast technology is helping with climate awareness, in some new technology that is being brought forth more broadly across the world is virtual production. So broadcasters can allow viewers to be fully immersed within an environment, say within an ocean environment or an atmospheric environment, and so the storyteller can then bring the viewer right into the room and show them how a certain very technical physical process is happening, so they can gain much better understanding of something that's quite complex. So partnering with the FIMC workshop is really helping our mission, because it allows twofold: for us to be able to share information on how broadcasters can work with their vendors on advancing stories that they'd like to tell, but it's also very important to us because it allows us to see broadly from a group of many users what kinds of data sets they'd like to see worked within the tools, and what kinds of new graphic approaches that they'd like to have to better tell their stories.